Hi Melrose, I wanted to take a moment to show everybody how to log into our Teams application through Clever online. So our Teams application is how we're going to be accessing our digital learning classroom, and it's really important that you guys go ahead and log in and get set up and get familiar with the site. So to do that, you're just going to open up your browser, type in Clever Login in the search, and then click this first link. Here it's going to take you to log in with your Active Directory, and because mine is already been logged in, we're going to click that button, and then once you log in, it should look like this. So once you're here, you're just going to keep scrolling until you find the Teams application. And the Teams application might be pretty far down, but it looks like this. It's got the two purple people and the big letter T right here in the front. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you into your class. Once you're here, it's going to look like this. You should see a message from your teacher that welcomes you into your classroom. Take a look at that with your family, have them help you read it, do whatever you need to do there. And then if you go all the way over to assignments, you'll see the first assignment, which is due today, and it's an attendance check-in. So click on that. And it's just going to be a simple question. Whatever you answer, click submit. That's the way we're going to be taking attendance for today. It's going to show us that you know what you're looking for and that you know how to access the classroom online. From there, just stay tuned for the next direction from your teacher. Hope this helps.